Hi everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear to level up your daily life. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Breville Barista Pro espresso machine, model BESS 878 BSS. If you're a coffee lover dreaming of cafe-quality espresso at home, stick around because this machine might just be your new best friend. And don't forget, you can grab it at the best price using the Amazon link in the description below. Let's jump in. First, let's break down the features that make the Breville Barista Pro stand out. This is an all-in-one espresso machine with a built-in conical burr grinder, so you can go from whole beans to a perfect shot in under a minute. The grinder has dose control, meaning it grinds just the right amount of coffee for maximum flavor with a single touch. You can adjust the grind size and dose to suit your beans, which is great for tweaking your espresso to perfection. The machine uses a 54mm portafilter with 19 to 22 grams of coffee, delivering that rich, full-bodied taste you'd expect from a high-end coffee shop. Next, the thermojet heating system is a game-changer. It heats up in just 3 seconds, so you're not waiting around for your morning coffee. It also switches instantly from brewing espresso to steaming milk, which is super convenient. The digital temperature control, or PID, keeps the water at the perfect temperature, plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, for consistent extraction every time. The steam wand is powerful and lets you hand texture microfoam milk, perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. Plus, the intuitive LCD display shows grinding and extraction progress, making it easy to dial in your shot. It comes with single and dual wall filter baskets, a stainless steel milk jug, a razor dose trimming tool, a cleaning kit, and a water filter. The water tank holds 67 ounces, and the bean hopper stores half a pound of beans, so you're not constantly refilling. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the speed is incredible. That 3-second heat-up time means you're sipping espresso faster than you can say latte art. The built-in grinder saves counter space and delivers fresh grounds on demand, which is a huge plus for flavor. The steam wand is fantastic for creating silky microfoam, and with practice, you can nail those latte art designs. The LCD interface is user-friendly, guiding you through every step, which is great for beginners and seasoned baristas alike. Customers love how it looks, too. The brushed stainless steel finish is sleek and modern, fitting any kitchen. One reviewer even said it paid for itself in 6 months by cutting out coffee shop visits, which is a big win at this price point, around $800 to $900. On the con side, there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're new to espresso machines. Dialing in the grind size and shot time takes practice, but once you get it, the results are worth it. The 54mm portafilter is slightly smaller than the standard 58mm used in professional machines, so upgrading accessories later might be tricky. Some users mention the grinder is a bit noisy, but it's not a deal breaker unless your kitchen is super quiet. Also, it's a single boiler, so you can't brew and steam at the same time, which might slow you down if you're making multiple milk-based drinks. A few customers reported issues like the grinder stopping or the machine needing repairs, but Breville's 2-year warranty and customer support seem to handle these cases well. So, should you buy the Breville Barista Pro? Absolutely, if you're serious about coffee and want a machine that balances ease of use with pro-level features. It's perfect for home baristas who love experimenting with their brews but don't want to spend thousands on a commercial setup. The fast heat-up, built-in grinder, and customizable settings make it a fantastic value. Whether you're pulling shots for yourself or impressing friends with cappuccinos, this machine delivers. Just be ready to spend a little time learning its quirks, and you'll be brewing like a pro in no time. Before I wrap up, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next review. And if you're ready to bring cafe-quality coffee home, click the Amazon link in the description for the best pricing and special promotional offers from Rick's Review Hub. It's an affiliate link, so your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, or subscribe. Let me know in the comments what coffee gear you want me to review next. Until then, keep brewing great coffee, and I'll see you in the next video.